Introducing first time ever in the history of the universe, the all new Papa John's invisible topping pizza. When comes to innovation and creativity, Papa John's is second to none. This new invisible topping pizza is a mind-boggling innovation from Papa John's. When I ordered the pizza, I wasn't hoping for a surprise, but Papa John's delivered. They delivered a huge surprise. I could not believe my eyes. I literally checked to make sure that my vision is good. Let's see what this is all about. I ordered 3 medium pizzas online just like any other person. But Papa John's algorithm somehow figured out this is the person they want this invisible pizza to be introduced to the world for the first time. I am so humbled and ecstatic by this opportunity. One would never think of such a lifetime opportunity ever come up in their life. This is the first one of the 3. It has Canadian bacon, jalapeno peppers and pepperoni. As you can see, this has all the 3 toppings visible. This is quality sealed, which is written on the side. Also they are saying, tic-tac-toe, you win. I win! Wow! I was a little confused of what I won, but it invoked the curiosity in me. This second one has topping jalapeno, pepperoni and steak. This one is also not the new invisible topping pizza, as all 3 toppings are visible on this too. Although it is hard to find the steak on this one, I was able to dig out some. There is one over here, one over there, and some other pieces here and there. I know you started thinking, where is the new technology, baby? The invisible topping one? Well, we reached there. That is the next one I am going to introduce. This is the one I was talking about. From our oven to you, quality sealed. I started shaking with euphoria. I broke the quality seal with trembling hands. Tic-tac-toe, I win. This says it has Canadian bacon, Italian sausage and jalapeno peppers toppings. Sure enough, we cannot see any jalapeno on this one. I was sure this is the new technology. You cannot even see a trace of jalapeno on this one. It is invisible. Wow! You can see a piece missing there. That was me tasting it. I literally felt the crunchiness of chewing jalapeno. I tasted the spiciness of jalapeno, but it is nowhere to be seen. It is there, but invisible. I am gonna be famous. I am gonna go viral. Thank you, Papa. Thank you for choosing me to introduce this technology pizza. I am speechless. Honey, wake up. Are you daydreaming? It's not anything new. They just screwed up your pizza order.